How to change the display color mode or screen colors of your OnePlus Nord phone, as well as find the refresh rate settings and change it. This is for Android 15 OnePlus Nord phones. Let's do it. To find and change these settings, use the quick access, and with Android 15, you'll tap on a quick toggle settings right here. From here on now, go down until you see display, and as you go into it, you'll see these different options. One of them is going to be screen color mode, and when you go into it, you will most likely be set to the vivid option. So vivid gives you the vivid set of colors. The natural will just give you natural here, and of course, that's just going to give you whatever is provided of that specific color from the image you're watching or display itself of the video. All right, now you also got pro modes here. Switching to pro modes gives you the cinematic here option or the brilliant option as well, and you can see the differences in the colors here as you change it. Using that image will give you an idea of what the changes are. You also got the screen color temperature, which is available for every mode here, even the vivid here, and keeping it cool will give you that light bluish color, whereas warm gives you that slight little yellowish in the white itself. And you can always come back and change it at any given time. Now to come out of here to find refresh rate, go down. While in the display settings, you will see refresh rate settings here. Now, you might be either in auto, which is going to go based on all the apps compatibility automatically on its own. Standard gives you the 60, which means every app on your phone will be running 60, and that's going to save you some battery life. If you do decide to keep it at 120, notice when I switch it to 120, you will see the app-specific refresh rate will now become available. And when you tap here one time, you will see all the apps on your phone for your OnePlus Nord and choose which ones will either use 90, 120, or even 60. So let's just say, for example, maybe the dialer app itself, you don't want it to use 120, it ain't that serious, so switch it to 60. And you can do this for all the apps going across, like and sub.